Hello fellow YouTubers and do-it-yourself experts, this is David Tech with another video. If you can, please subscribe to my videos because I'll be making a bunch more, and hopefully unique ones is what I'm trying to do. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about cars. Specific automatic clutch pressure control solenoid, which is this for 2001 Acura CL. Of course, Valve A, which is the black. Okay, right here, and the valve B, which is the brown one. Okay, so I've been having problems with the reverse. When I put it in reverse, it takes maybe 5, 7, 8 seconds for the gear to kick in. Other than that, first gear goes fine, second gear is okay. When it goes from second to third, it takes another couple seconds and then it kicks in. And for fourth, when I shift with the sport shift, it goes back down to 3, then goes up to 4, and it doesn't really shift, just the number of changes. If I put it on automatic, then the car does try to shift into 4, and it makes a really screeching sound that's kind of scary, and I'm afraid of my gear braking, so I'm not going to be doing that again. So I was looking around, and this item right here costs maybe $60 to $80. Probably better if I just get one, but then what if that's not the problem? Or maybe I can solve it in another way. So I found out that there's such a thing called a tool for solenoid adjustments. Of course, Civics and Accords 96 and up, which Acuras fall into Accords and Civics. This is from Sonax. Got it from eBay, of course, and it's a tool. Of course, you can see right here this hexadecimal or hex type of circle. Really hard to get anything to fit in there. I've tried Allen wrenches, but they fit, but they just don't turn, because there is a second one. See if you could see that. There's one on the outside, and then there's a different one on the inside. It's like a round one with a hex, and then a round one inside. Now, this tool is luckily sold by Transmission Supply, and they do a bunch of other tools. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, go ahead and check them out. Now, what's the greatest thing about this is, thanks to Jobber Supply, Joseph Martin looks like is the person. Thank you, Joseph. This comes with a really nice instructions. Yeah, not often do you find tools that come with this very good detailed instructions. Honda Acura 4-speed and 3-shaft, which is my 5-speed transmission. Clutch A, pressure adjuster, clutch B. Okay, and here's the tool. Now, what else? If you're not aware, okay, it says adjusting solenoid block. Place a pentagon shaped tip of solenoid adjustment into screw. Now, here's what these little things, affect. Adjusting solenoid ratio A will affect reverse servo control and reverse engagement, which I'm having a problem with. First clutch forward engagement, no problem. Third clutch feed and 2 to 3 upshift, which I'm having the exact same problem. Now, if you noticed, my black one is a little turned. Yeah, it's not straight. And every time I straighten it, right here, just like that, they're straight. When I drive, somehow it always goes like this. There, see? The car always ends up shifting it into the same way. Oh, that was my ground cable. Yeah, I think we're going to be testing out the effects of the power to these solenoids, and I don't think we need specifically ground, but just in case, I'd like to put it on, just make sure nothing gets damaged. So now, this is my little ground mechanism. Okay, so that is the clutch ratio A. Now for the B, which is the brown one, it's going to affect the second clutch 1 and 2 upshift, which I have no problem. Fourth clutch, the 3 and 4th upshift, and I can't even go to 4th. And slip rate, it says TCC slip rate in 4. This one is the rate in 3rd only. Okay, so I would suggest definitely reading the instructions, doing research. But if you don't want to spend the money, and some people don't, or some people don't have it, then maybe you can give it a shot. But I'm going to go ahead and try it out, and then I'll let you guys know if it actually worked. So yeah, that's about it for now. But yeah, here's another thing. what I didn't want to show is what does this thing do? You know, blah blah, they say this and that. Well, from the way I see it, to be honest, what it does is it just spits it spits transmission fluid into the gears. That's the only thing I could understand, because whenever I do apply electricity to it, all I see is it spits things out. Okay, it's got 3 holes just like that. Now let's see. That's a 12-volt adapter with these little alligator clips, positive, negative. Do it just to make sure that it doesn't cross the wires. So let me see this now. You can go ahead and add one of them. It's got 2 pins in there. This is the negative. I don't believe it matters which one it is, because they both do the same thing from my understanding of it when I've done it. But don't take my word for it. Research it and find out. I don't want to say something where I do it and nothing happens to mine, but you do it and it messes up. We don't want that to happen. We want to do fixing, not causing problems. Okay? So just make sure the ground's there. Now, here we go. As you see what's going to happen, let me see if I can get the camera in the right angle. When I touch the other one, that's it, see? Oh, you just spit it out, sorry? That's it, see? Spits it out, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. That's all I see. Okay, moves up and down and spits it out. That's it. Ooh, he hit the phone. Good aim, huh? Sucker always hits something. Alright, now, that was the brown one. Now let's try the same thing with the black one. They both seem to be working fine, but here, let's see. Get the camera to go. Oh, spring a little bit out. Bam, 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 bam. That's all they do is go up and down. You can see right there. Right down here. Right down here is where they go up and down. Alright, well, gotta wipe the phone now. And hopefully not the camera not getting any stains a little bit. But anyway, so yeah, that's it for this one. And I'm going to go ahead and continue the video once I get a chance to clean it up and adjust the things, you know, with the tool. I'll be back. Okay, there, cleaned up the camera. And luckily, this side, of course, is a little bit way too wide for my, but this side, perfect fit. Now, so it says, place the pentagon-shaped solenoid adjustment tool into adjusting screw recess of clutch and pressure control of solenoid A or B. So I'm gonna start with the black one, which is I'm having a problem with. You know, moves around. Turn adjusted screw half an eighth to a fourth. Turn clockwise to increase pressure for solenoid A, and counterclockwise to increase pressure for solenoid B. So A is the black one. So it says what? Okay. Adjust. Turn clockwise for solenoid A. So this is solenoid A. We're gonna put it in and see. Adjust. Oh, we don't need the electrical anymore. So let me see if I can put this down and get a better stable recording of it. Yeah, let's see. Okay, there we go. Yeah, of course, nothing ever happens the way you think it's gonna happen. There we go. It's better. All right, let me bring it over here. So let's see how we adjust this. So it said what? Clockwise. So it'll be totally clockwise. Okay. So let's see if I can do it with the. Now I can't do any pliers, which I luckily happen to have. These are electrical stripping pliers, but it should be good. If I need to, I will get a monkey wrench. Let's see if we can. Oh! Wait, that's counterclockwise. Wrong way. Now I'm gonna have to go back. No, wait, that is clockwise. Okay. So then let's see what happens. Almost turned. Oh! It's turning. Yes. Now this thing is. I don't know if that's gonna fix my thing at all. I don't know. Okay, it did turn. Now let's see if this is gonna. No, this is not gonna move. It's gonna just keep moving and shit, huh? Yeah, see when it moves. Right here. It moves the gear inside. Now let's see what it feels like when I give it more juice. Okay. Better right there. Yeah. This time I'm gonna aim it away from the phone because I don't want it to hit it again. Let's see what this one does now. I'm gonna put it much more better, hopefully. Oh yeah, much better. Oh, that's stronger though still. but it's a little bit better than before, I would think. So I'm gonna have to add the ground because I see a little bit of sparkle going on. We don't like that. We don't want the gear to be all getting crazy if the solenoid malfunctions, you know. Alright, well, I think I'm going to continue doing this, and yeah, looks like that's going to be a wrap for now, but I'll let you know how that works out, alright? Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, please. Have a good day.